What's up? Welcome to my vlog. Shunki. So today, what I'm going to do? Prank to the Filipino using. Do you know my TV? I can talk with the stranger. I will pretend Fumiya, and then I pretend like very beginner English speaker. So I pretend. Let's go.
Arigato. Hi.
Oh.
Arigato.
Konnichiwa. Where do
You said ano?
Where do you live?
Where do I live? Where do I live? Oh, Charon. Okay. Dan. Ako dyan. Picture
Wow.
mo.
Wow. Wow. Galing. Galing mo. Do you know this?
Ang sama. Wow. Try.
I will sing and you sayaw. Okay?
Okay.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. Ikaw kili-kili mari na nais ko. Kili-kili mari kita na. Ikaw kili-kili mari na nais ko. Wow! Wow!
Did you see
Wow!
that?
Wow! How? Sakit. Sugoi!
You're so cute. We're going to dance. Here,
Sige.
follow me.
Okay. Follow you. I follow you.
1, 2, 3, go. Ang mga ibon na lumilipad.
Ay! Yes! Basketball.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God! Me. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, hi. Stop this. Oh, you're Japanese. You're so cute.
You're Japanese.
Oh my. Oh wait. We have a translator. Wait. So how do you say how cute? Wait.
Okay.
Wait. Don't skip us, please. Honkin. Okay. Honkin screw. Honkin desu ka? Oh my gosh, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Ogenki desu ka?
But you speak English, right?
Ogenki desu ka?
You speak.
Ogenki desu.
Oh, you're so
Oh,
cute.
you very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Where
Where are you from?
where
What?
where you from? Where you from?
Oh, where we're from?
Yeah.
That's something I don't know, but we're really scared to say it because a lot of people here on Omi TV.
Wag siya kasabot na yun na Philippines.
Racist.
Ah.
Do you hate Filipinos?
Do you hate?
No. I love you. Charot.
Philippines. Charot daw!
I mean, where in
Charot.
Philippines? Are you where in Philippines?
Cebu.
Asa the pizza Cebu?
Oh my freaking God!
Oh my gosh, Bisaya ka?
Uy, ano ka?
Bisaya ko. Asa the pizza Cebu?
Hello, unsa nag-English pa mi diri tanan nga
Kay
makasabot.
na ako Cebu karon. Cebu City.
Oh, na diri. Oh my gosh, ma. Asa sa Cebu?
Cebu City. Doon sa ko ang Fuente Osmeña.
Doon kayo ta. Doon. Dapat sa your message here in presence.
What's a day?
Okay.
What's a ha?
We would like to say to 10,000 followers.
11K.
11.
This guy is a good guy.
Hey.
You know that? You sing for us.
So, asawa.
Like,
Oh, yeah.
I
forgot the rest of the lyrics.
Magadango. At doon na pa'y ikaw ako. Oh, I'm shy. Hindi ay nagsaking. Kay di taoyap, walay ikaw ako. Apang ko na series ko. Ayawa ko.
Sige na lang taali ha, 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 katawa. Ha, 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 masula.
Kahintang na. Wey! Mayo! Can you give me sample? You speaking Japanese?
Oh no. Kawaii. Oh, hi. Ay, kato. Nya, in Japanese.
Arigato.
Kaki gurmasai, bo.
Do it!
Bye-bye.
Sige po. Amping.
Bye-bye.
Amping.
Wow, they are Bisaya and they are from Cebu City. It's my second hometown. Miracle. My plan success. So next, I will pretend to be Fumiya. I don't know Fumiya look like. I know Fumiya look like, but like this. I do like Fumiya? No. I'm not sure. I thought. Oh my god.
Hey, yo, my God, then, ha? Alam mo, bad trip ako eh, ha? Next ako nung girl eh. Ha?
It's filthy bright, motherfucker. It's filthy bright, bitch.
You know
Sam?
me?
I don't know you. You know Sam?
Why you don't know me?
You know Sam?
I don't know.
Sam?
Hindi ko alam.
That's a K-pop superstar.
Ah! Okay.
Yes, Sam.
Yopsal.
Sam Japsa.
Japanese.
Pumiya.
Pumiya. Yeah, Pumiya. Oh.
Yeah.
No one knows.
But I am Shunki. Blogger. I'm also blogger, and I am here to prank.
Shout out to Gigitai, ha? When you vlog.
Oh,
Gigitai.
Jijita.
That's unbelievable.
Magita pa ko uyab.
Wala pa kayo uyab.
Wala.
dira oy.
Wala pa.
Magita pa ko asawa.
Masama na mong asawahon, mga Japanese?
Hindi, Filipina.
Pilipina.
Asa may daghan.
Kaya ko. Hatagbi.
Hatag, sige, hatagan ka na mo. Murina, kanang dili puti ba?
Oo,
medyo.
ganahan ko. Di puti.
Ganahan ka na?
Oo. Ganahan, black ba? Morina girl.
Chocolate brown kami ana.
Chocolate brown. Violet brown. Lailag ko sa buhok na.
Nagum na daw.
Sige.
Sige, ampin mo.
Bye,
ampin
God
mo.
bless. Ingat.
Dalawang kamansi.
I forgot. Sino ka?
Wow! Do
Ryan bang? Ryan bang?
name. Bohol di ay ka.
Ay, kamatay!
Nindot kaya. Init, di ba? Init karon, di ba?
Oh.
Init.
Oh. Kaya ko rin. Init kayo!
Kayo! Okay kayo! Okay kayo!
Okay kayo! Init kayo rin!
Okay kayo! Asa
Init kayo ng galit na! Kamay! Layak kayo! Kamao ka mo Bisaya di ay?
Oh, lagi. Tanan.
Nana kayo uyab?
Wala, magita pa ko.
Mangita ba ka?
Hadagbi.
Diri.
Hadagbi.
Tay daghan na ito.
Oh, gear. Let's go. Let's go. Go there.
Ate, dahil mo naman siya eh. Sige, sige.
But why? You don't know me. Are you sure? You don't know me. I'm very famous. You don't know?
Can I see your face tag? Alin mo yung ano mo, shades mo. Angas mo, naka-shades ka sa Ome TV ah.
I'm shy. I'm shy. Uy.
Why? You're so cute kaya.
I'm shy.
Ano kawaii ah. Gabi, nag-Japanese na ako. No!
What?
Pakita pa na.
Lagi.
Gusto na kita pumiya! Okay, I know you na. Seryoso, ikaw ba?
You know me.
Sige na lang taanig, ha, 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 katawa.
Okay guys, I really enjoy. I do many prank and then some of them got prank. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Amping mo. Bye bye. Ingat. If you have Facebook account, please follow my fan page Shunki Shunki. I will post my private things, funny picture, and then also please follow Shunki's Japanese language college. Thank you so much. ありがとう. See you next time. Bye bye. じゃあね.